I think they're trying to again make another ploy, or what you call trying to make another new normal in order to intimidate our BIPAR, our Coast Guard, and our fishermen.
Ginagamit ng China na bagong taktika ang live fire exercise para takutin at sindakin ang mga Pilipinong mangingisda sa Bajo de Masinloc at maging ang mga barko ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources o BFAR na naghahatid ng tulong. Ayon kay National Security Advisor Eduardo Año, ngayon lamang ginawa ng China ang biglaang pag-anunsyo ng live fire exercise sa lugar kung saan nandoon ang maraming bangka ng mga mangingisda at sasakyang pangdagat ng PCG na nagdulot ng takot sa mga mangingisda.
Well, I think this is the first time that this kind of ploy was done by the PRC, instantly or suddenly announcing that there is a live fire in an area that is actually within our exclusive economic zone, an area where it is leading to the entrance of the shore, and it has actually put a lot of risk and danger to the lives of our fishermen and our BIPAR vessels.
Normal anya na kapag magsasagawa ng live fire exercise ay isinasagawa ito sa mga international waters at may advance notice sa isasagawang pagsasanay, di gaya ng ginawa ng China na biglaan. Ayon sa Philippine Coast Guard, wala silang na-monitor na live fire exercise sa lugar pagkatapos ng ginawang anunsyo ng China. Bariing kinundina ng National Security Advisor ang hakbang na ito ng China kasama na ang dangerous maneuver at pag-water cannon sa BIPAR vessel. Dapat anyang itigil na ang ganitong hakbang na lalo lamang makasisira sa relasyon ng Pilipinas at China.
So this is an aggressive illegal act that we are condemning, and we want China to stop all this kind of aggressive actions, because this is not really doing good to our relationship, and this is already what we call taboo in the modern world. And for us, we will continue to be there. We will assert our presence because Scarborough Shoal is part of our territory. Its waters are within our exclusive economic zone.
Sa kabila nito, hindi papatulan ng Pilipinas ang ganitong pain ng China at patuloy na idadaan sa diplomatikong laban ng usapin. Sa ngayon, maaari anyang tinitignan pa ng China ang magiging reaksyon ng international community.
So we will not play to the narrative of China. This is what they want, for us to react, overreact, and then they can have the justification to use their PLA and practically turn the narrative around against us. So we will not play to that kind of ploy. We continue to follow our policy. We don't want to escalate, but we will assert and we will defend our territory and our sovereign rights through peaceful means, through the rules that are accepted by the international community, and following, of course, following the international rule of law.
Kaugnay nito, sabi ng kalihim, ang anunsyo ng China na gawing nature reserve ang Bajo de Masinloc ay isang palusot lamang ng China sa aktwal na pag-okupa sa lugar, isang bagay na hindi papayagan ng Pilipinas.
Well, first of all, that pronouncement is, as I said, a prelude or a pretext for an actual occupation, because, building and structure there will be manned by people. So therefore, there will be people occupying it. And that is actually banned. And actually, if you recall, we have the Declaration of Conduct of Parties. And it's very, very clear in the provision that there will be no occupation of unoccupied feature. So putting, structure and people there is tantamount to occupation. And we will not allow that.
Para naman sa security analyst na si Dr. Chester Cabalsa, ang pinakabagong insidente sa Scarborough Shoal noong Martes ay konektado sa plano ng China na magtayo ng istruktura sa Scarborough o Panatag Shoal. Kaya dadaanin nila sa pamumuwersa ang pag-aangkin sa lugar.
Yes, definitely, no. Dahil gusto nga nilang i-impose yung kanilang bagong domestic law, gusto nilang gawing protected area yung Panatag Shoal natin. definitely mambabraso sila yan para ipaalam sa Pilipinas na sa kanila yung lugar na yun. Pero syempre hindi tayo magpapatinag sa kanila dahil unang-una, yung 2016 Arbitral Award, sinasabi na pag-aari talaga ng Pilipinas yung Scarborough Shoal o yung Panatag Shoal.
Sabi naman ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, pasimula ito ng plano ng China na gawing naval base ang Scarborough para tuluyang makontrol ang buong South China Sea.
So this is really a precursor of China's grand plan to put up an air naval base on Scarborough Shoal because that was their original plan. Remember, they were about to send dredgers way back towards the end of the term of President Obama. China sent dredgers going to Scarborough Shoal to start their island building there, and Obama said, no, you cannot do that. There will be severe consequences.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.